I recently bought these cabin air filter replacements for my Model Y 2021. 2 came in the box, plus a really handy tool that'll help with getting these panels off in a second, and then a little screwdriver, so you have everything you need right here in the box. And of course some instruction manuals, which really helped. So first thing is you take off this side panel. That actually took me like a minute. Then you take off these 4 little plastic little screws. That took like 20 seconds. And then unclip 2 wires. And then you're on to one final screw, which exposes the cabin filter. Again, all this is on the instructions. This is simple. Once that is open, then you pull out the old filter. I must confess, I'm at 52,000 miles and I've never even thought to change my cabin air filter until this weekend. And so I bought these, and oh my gosh, these were absolutely disgusting. So we are breathing way better now. So you pull out the first one, then you pull out the second one. Those little tabs are there. I should have grabbed it better the first time, but yeah, they come out real easy. That one was even dirtier. And then compared to these new ones I'm about to put in, oh man, these are night and day. Okay, at this point, you can just slide the new filters in and be done, but I wanted to take another level, go another step, and so I bought this Evaporator coil cleaner, and all you do is you hook up the little hose, and then you push the button and foam just fills that whole cavity. It drips after a few minutes, and it just sits there for like 15 minutes total. Then you turn the AC on for 5 minutes on low, and then it's all dripped out, and it smells great, and it cleans all the grime and stuff, and it's fabulous. I would do both steps. It's gonna knock out that mildew smell sometimes that you get in the Teslas anyway. All right, so then the filters, these brand new filters go in, you just push them in, and they drop down. Then you grab the second one, goes right on top of that one. I'm talking, this is like easy installation. Then put that little cap back on, put the one screw there, and everything's just in reverse. You're gonna put the 2 clips back on to connect the speaker. Almost there. Yeah, the speaker, that one. That speaker was a little harder to get off than the other one. The first one just slips right off. That speaker one I had to jiggle with for like a minute. So if you have trouble with that, just keep working it. You just try not to damage any wires. 4 little screws just pop back in there. Those are really easy. Again, all this is on the installation, and you put that panel back on, and I'm telling you guys, you will feel accomplished because you just did what they were going to charge you to do at the store, like a whole bunch more money, and it's really cheap. So breathe better and take care of your car. I'm showing you how I struggle with that at first. You just got to line up those little pins, and you're good to go. All right, it was easy. Go for it.